here's what my circle time looks like for the week. I base all of my lessons on our Ohio Early Learning and Development Standards, and I turn those into we can statements. So on Monday, we were learning about signs and words that we've seen before, environmental print. I had a pocket chart hung up and it said, I can read, and I would hold up an environmental print card like McDonald's or Walmart, and if they thought they could read it, they would come on up, I'd put it in there, and they would say, I can read Walmart. On Tuesday, we were working on the measuring standards. I posted a video on this where we sent cars down a ramp to see how far and how short they could go, and we read the book Super Sandcastle Saturday, which talks about measurement. On Wednesday, we were working on the opposites standard. So we read My Big Book of Animal Opposites, and then we did a smart show. So I had half of the opposite card covered. So they would see the word dry. They would come up and guess what the opposite of dry was, and then pull down the shade and see that it was wet. And then to conclude my opposites, because I've done it a few other times as well, each student gets a card and they have to walk around the room and find a friend that has their opposite. And then we talk about all of the different pairs that we found. This week on Thursday, we did our Start of the Week book, which has many different standards within that. And we had Outback Ray coming to visit with lots of fun animals.